Understanding for this lesson is
So grade 7 girls, we will start with lesson 3.5, solve mark up and mark down problems. Before we begin a lesson, just see a small video where you get an idea about what are we going to do in this lesson.
a percent markup is the same as a percent increase, and a percent markdown is the same as a percent decrease. The methods used to calculate percent change can be used to calculate markups and markdowns. In previous lessons,
Simple. The word up, it goes the percentage increase, and the word down, percentage decrease. Okay. It's with the up and down. Something is rising up means it is increasing, and something is, dropping down. That means it is decreasing.
students used the percent equation to understand percent change, and they solved real-world problems involving percent change. This lesson extends students' work to relate percent change to percent markup and markdown. This problem is key because students evaluate markdown and percent markdown in a familiar, real-world context. Listen and look for students who correctly calculate the markdown, or discount, that Sheila received from her friend. The value of the two tickets is 2 times $52.50, or $100.
Now see, Sheila buy 2 concert tickets. Word problems always, instead of Sheila, you can imagine your friend. Especially now Saudi Arabia also have movie tickets. So you have concert tickets from her friend. You know concert, what is the meaning of concert? Like what happened in Riyadh and what happened. She pays $90 for 2 tickets. She looked at the tickets and sees that each ticket has a face value of 52.50. Actually, when you buy 1 ticket, it's 52.5. But when she bought 2 tickets, she got it just for 90. When you double 52 and 52, it's more than 100. That means she got a discount. Don't you think so? She got a discount. So how much of a markdown did her friend give Sheila? Explain how you know. So it was actually 105. When you double it for 2 tickets, it's actually 105. But you have to minus it with not 90. When you do, you have to minus it with 90. So 105 minus 90 is almost like 15. So markdown means she has a discount of $15. Okay. Did you get it or no? Now listen to me. That's why imagine yourself. You went to buy a ticket. Okay. When you bought 2 tickets, you gave your friend 1 ticket and 1 ticket. On the ticket, it was written $52 each. That means when you paid for both of you. Okay. 52 and 52 earlier. Then when you paid them, they asked you just 90. And when you took the ticket, it was written 52 on each. 52 plus 52 is actually 105. But how much did she take? Did she take 105 from you? How much did she take? She took 90. That means she gave a discount because you bought 2. So that discount is marked down. That is a decrease in the payment. You got a discount. Okay. So it's how much discount did you get? It was 105, but you paid 90. So it is 105, huh? Yes. That is called the markdown. At least have an idea about the lesson. Let's see.
$5. The price of the tickets was $90. The markdown is the difference between the value and the price, or $15. When students answer Part B of this question, listen and look for students who question how to calculate percent markdown. Students may wonder if the denominator of the ratio is $90, which is the price of the tickets, or if the denominator is 100.
Now, they have asked you how to find a percentage. So out of 105, or do you get discount out of 90? Do you get discount out of 105? Or you discount out of 90, out of 105, you will deduct 15. So which one to choose? What do you think here? Yes. So how do you get the percent? You will divide, X by Y. That is the, the part by whole. 15 out of 105 and times. Remember to do how to find out the percentage. Parts by whole, percent by 100. So percent is there, 100 goes up. So part by whole, 15 over 105 times 100. Okay? Are you able to get it? See, everywhere, no, here it is marked down and marked up. But finally, to know the percentage, you know that you have to do part by whole times 100. Okay? Remember, percentage is part by whole times 100. Galia, do you like to wash your face? You're too sleepy, right? When did you get up? I mean, when did you sleep at night? Normal, what time? But still, she's sleepy. I slept more late. MashaAllah, you are a genius girl. Because you wake up at 5:30, right? 5:30, am I correct? Pray. And then, your brother, he will drop your brother first? Your father? You're beside your? That's very good. And then he drops. But very good, yeah, that you sleep 8:30. That means you go to bed around 8, so you sleep 8:30. Very good. I wish my kids do the same. They don't. They want to play.
$5, which is the original value of the tickets. Take this opportunity to define percent markdown as the ratio of the markdown to the original price. The percent markdown is the ratio of the markdown of $15 to the original price of $105, which is approximately equal to 14/100ths, or 14%. Ask students to compare the meanings of markdown and percent markdown. Listen and look for students who dollars, which is approximately equal to 14/100ths as the ratio of the markdown to the original price. The percent markdown is the ratio, which is the original value of the tickets. Take.
Yes. You will divide 105 to 15. You will get a value. You'll multiply with 100, and then you get a percentage markdown.
This opportunity to define percent markdown as the ratio of the markdown to the original price. The percent markdown is the ratio of the markdown of $15 to the original price of $105, which is approximately equal to 14/100ths, or 14%. Ask students to compare the meanings of markdown and percent markdown. Listen and look for students who explain that markdown is an amount of money, such as $15, while percent markdown shows the ratio of the markdown to the original cost.
Yes, tell me, what did you get? Do again. 15. 15 divided by 105. Look at here. Yes, then that when you multiply by 100, you get 14%. Right? Just 14 is enough, 14%.
This
105 tickets and see. Nice too. Okay, yalla girls, let us begin. Turn to page here. What is the percent? See, the percent, what is the percent markup on phone? This will be related to the first one, right? Okay, put a star mark. I can give you the vocabularies. Always, girls. When this included, yellow is included for the vocabulary terms. Markup is the amount of increase from the cost of an item to its selling price. And the markup percentage increase from the original cost is the percentage markup. All of it. Martha buys plain cell phone cases and then decorates them to resell online at higher price. Okay. Imagine you would like to do a small business and they have given you a business like how school students can do. She likes to buy the cover of the phone and she loves to modify it by putting stickers or putting some, beautiful to modify the cover of the mobile. And then she sell it in a higher price. Maybe at school, maybe to her friends. Okay. So, I'm sorry. Draw a bar diagram to represent the problem and to find markup. How much she bought this for? Huh? Page 168. She bought, you got imagine, okay? Imagine you took this cover. It's just plain. Actually, I don't like that decorated one. It's just plain cover, okay? You bought this for, are you looking here? Yes, Galia, you bought this for $7, 7 riyals, imagine. Imagine. And then now you want to modify it. You put some stickers here, you put some beautiful, like diamonds or decorate, make a flower, whatever. And now it looks beautiful. You want to sell it to your friend with a better price so that the profit, you get into your pocket. And that's your right. Business is allowed. So you sell it for 11.25. You buy it for 7 riyals and you sell it for 11 riyal. So there has to be something marked up. You get something more, right? You get something more in your pocket. Now, how much is the markup? How do you get that? You minus 11.25 minus 7.2. You minus the selling price with the cost price. Original cost was 7.2. But how much was the selling price? You minus selling price with the cost price. That was. So you need to learn this. Markup is the person. You need to learn this. You need to memorize this equation. That what is markup? If you want to find out markup, it is percent markup. It is called percent markup and the cost. So markup is actually 4.05. Percent you don't know. And what is the original cost? Okay. So then, of course, the relation is multiplication here. So it comes down and becomes division. So percentage is equal to 0.625. See, you can even go directly by your own way. You remember parts by whole? How much was the part? 4.05. What is the whole? 7.20. And I told you multiply by 100 to get the percentage. You remember this? So if you do this, tell me what is the answer you are getting? You get 0.5625 multiply 100. So you get 56.25%. I hope you're getting it. Ghalia, Malak is not at all talking to me. Are you upset? Are you angry with me, teacher? Are you getting it, Malak? Are you understanding it?
Yes, yes.
Very simple. Now here, what is the markup on $300 phone? Okay, it was 300. See, how much it was?
300.
It was 300. And how much they sold for? 465. Okay. 1 minute, 1 minute. Don't do like this. How much? First thing, I write here 465 minus 300. Why do I subtract?
Because you want to know how much
Yes. So tell me how much it is then. And you know that how will you solve it by your own? This you just write down. But what did I teach you? Mark up by the total, multiply by 100, right? No. Do it again. 35 point. Do it again. Sorry. Not 465. It is 165 over 300 phone because the phone was 300. The phone was how much? 300. You will not divide by 465. You will divide by 300 because the original cost of the phone was 300. So do you get 55%? Yes. Tell me. See, first step, you must know that how much is your profit. You got it for $300, you sell it for $465. So you get the markup price as $465 minus $300. So this is $165. This is the price markup price. Then you take the markup price and you see divided by the total. How much you bought the phone for? My dear, this is sold. How much you got this phone? What is the actual price of the mobile? See, 304 sold for 465. What is the original price of the phone? $300.
300.
Okay, did you get it? Later you sold it for 465 and you got the profit of 165. Okay, but actually it's 165 over 300 because the phone was 300. In that you got 165 real profit, mashallah. And then you multiply to 100. When you divide 165 and 3, you get 55%. The markup is? And how much is the percentage? 55. I hope you're getting it, girls.
The answer is 55.
Yes. No. No, it's not you. Where's the other one? Malak, did you finish writing? Malak.
Yeah, miss. Hello?
Okay.
Yes?
Yes, I got it.
Yeah.
Now, what is markdown? It's a decrease from the original price. Same thing. With the sale price, the markdown as a percentage, same thing you will do. You will put the markdown with the original price and you multiply by 100. Why 180 minus 30? Yes, you see, for there you need to minus it. Like example, Okay, like example, yes, maybe you will need to minus it to know. Like now it's something else, it's opposite. We'll see it's a discount one, marked down, it's not marked up. Okay, it's marked down. Let us do one question. Edward wants to buy a snowboard on sale. If the sale tax Edward is 7.5%, how much will he pay? Okay, it's 180 and it's 30% off on 180. So first thing, we will have to know the percentage marked down. They said 30%, that means 30 over 100, that is 0.3%. 0.3%, okay? You find the percentage, but you don't know the markdown. What is the formula? Markdown is nothing but percentage markdown times original price. So percentage markdown 0.30 and original price of the board is 180. So by this you get the markdown. Now 54 out of 180 multiply by, anyways, leave this. Leave this, I'll just directly go to the question. Let's try like how we do it, okay? Find the percentage markdown of $80 jacket. It was $80. Now how much it is there? It's on sale, $48. So what is the mark down? 80 it was, and now it's 48. So 80 minus 48 is 32, if I'm not wrong. So now 32 out of 80, very good, multiply by 100. Try. This method is excellent. This method is also. Ghalia, Nish, that's it for today, dear. Next questions we'll do later. We have just 5 minutes. That's why we'll finish this lesson, inshallah, and we'll start with the review. And this week we'll finish unit 3, inshallah. And unit 4 is algebra. Check. What is unit 4? Is it algebra? Inshallah, we will have fun. Very interesting topic. No, inshallah, it's very interesting. Because you all are here, I'm relaxed. Yes, no, we'll start next week. We are about to finish this unit. We just have review. In this term, half of the term, I need to finish the book. Alhamdulillah, we have 4 more weeks to finish algebra. I will take slowly, I will not rush. Understood? Because we have more 3 weeks to finish up this. Yes. Like listen to it. I have 12 weeks to teach in this term, right? So in 6 weeks, I need to finish this book in 6th week. So we are still in week 2. 4 weeks for algebra, too much. Yani, inshallah, we will do it. Huh? No, in science, chemistry and bio and physics, it's in science. You all are doing that, my dear. I'll ask Miss Malak. I will leave Malak, okay?
Okay, Miss. Bye.
Bye, have a great day.